In this second video, we wanted to show you the cart in use so that you could see the functions that we talked about on the first video being put into practice. Obviously here we have a piece of granite on a fab table. We're putting it from the fab table onto the cart, which means the cart and the fab table need to be the same height. Obviously using the jack and a tape measure to make sure that things are correct, and then obviously able to make some minor adjustments after we get the table into place. As you can see here, it's fairly simple getting this large piece, probably somewhere between 450 to 600 pounds onto the cart. And you can see here, both gentlemen are going to remove both latches at the same time. We want to re-emphasize that we need two men on the cart at all times, especially when you're doing latches, to keep from any sagging and possibly any type of tipping. You can see it's very simple to go into the vertical position with the cart, and that's when you're able to really move it around your shop or do your installs. You can see here the crank can be used to lower and also raise the granite when it's in the vertical position. This next clip we have an install being done. We want to remind you in this clip that the cart's going to need to be about 1/4 of an inch lower than the surface that you're putting it onto. Reason for that being is it's going to be more simple to remove the cart out from underneath the main mass of the granite when there's less pressure on it, and you can still fairly easily slide large pieces on the countertops. We want to use this clip to discuss the need to get the center mass of the granite over the main bar. So if you look at the center mass of this piece of granite, the horizontal center mass of the granite, you can see that it is resting over the center bar. We're going to have the cart turned around here so you get a little bit better view. With that elbow going up and to the left on this piece of granite, we have the height approximately correct just to keep things over that center bar there. Obviously going to keep things from tipping. And then the center mass vertically, as you can see, is approximately resting over where the jack is. As you can see, the cart makes it simple for one guy to move it around your shop. We want to take this time just to show you a little bit what we have to offer crane-wise. This crane was outfitted to a box truck, a customer in Charlotte, North Carolina. And here, obviously, again, we want to re-emphasize the need for two gentlemen when the cart is being used. Obviously, you want to take all precautions to keep things from tipping over, whether it be outside or once you get into your customer's home. As you'll see here in just a moment, the cart is able to go over many different surfaces, whether it be this concrete driveway, wood floors, tile floors, or even grass. The wheels that are being used in this video are actually thinner and skinnier than the wheels that are actually on the cart now. As you can see, fairly easily going through grass, and obviously would be able to much more easily go through grass with the newer wheels. You can see that they are having to pick up on it some to get it up onto the ramp and go through the grass without getting stuck underneath the weight of the granite. Another nice thing that we'd like to point out in this video is, as you can see, that's a very tall piece of granite. When they get up to the door, it's not appearing to fit. Well, with our cart, since you can tilt it up into that table position, you can angle it to get through doors, which allows you to cut taller and longer pieces of granite. Lastly here, we're going to show one more install. As you can see, it'd be simple for two gentlemen to be able to move this large slab of granite. Again, we want to re-emphasize locking both pins into place once you get up into this table position, obviously needing two guys to do the install. Once the stone's into place, then you can get the cart out of the way fairly quickly to go ahead and finish your install. And we also want you to know that if you have any questions about the functions of the cart or any of the parts of the cart, please feel free to visit our website. It has our email address and telephone number. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you enjoy your new installation cart.